Hey guys, Bearded CB82. So I got a little bit of an apology for you after post-edit process. Somehow some of my footage on the torture test on this little guy from Harbor Freight somehow wound up missing. I got no clue how. I don't know, frickin' cat jumped up on the keyboard while it was loading. YouTube screwed something up. Internet, who knows? But just to make sure that, somebody out there saying, oh, well, it looks like, something happened and I didn't show it. Here's the rest of that. Just a nice little bitty excerpt for you and to see exactly when this little bitty ratchet broke. So anyways, guys, apologize for that. Here's the video. Ratchet's turning on me. It's wanting to. Oh man, I feel it. Get her locked back in extra tight. She's getting warm. Got some grease coming out of her. Good thing I did pre-grease that. Let's see how we're doing on battery. Still 2 bars and holding her back down. I don't know, she's getting close. I don't think we're gonna make it up to the 1/2 inch impact, but she's just barely hanging on to there. All right, level 3, that's 220. Max force, still got 2 bars on the battery. And that was it. She is toast. And just to wiggle her around a little bit more to make sure she is. That's it. Did not make it too far into that level. So 220 foot-pounds was a killer. And, not the toughest handle either.